What is speech writing? What is speech? Anyone, please raise your hand. What is speech? Yes, Karthik. Okay, what is the difference between diary entry and speech? Diary entry में भी हम express करते हैं. And in speech? Okay, yes. Harmeet, yes, exactly. Harmeet. It's a personal document and speech is, it's a public document, yes. So speech writing, please. 1 minute, please. लग तो मेरा ही रहा.
8D में जाना है.
Recess. अच्छा. एक सेकंड. 8th D. Now please note down the definition. Speech is a communicative. We did in class 6th also. You can just find out your old notebooks. You will see the same content again. So speech is a communicative form of expression. Communicative means you have audience also. You are the speaker and audience is sitting in front of you. So it's a communicative form of expression. Speech is a communicative form of expression of one's thought on a specific topic. So I am giving you two samples of little bit, just sample of two speeches. You will tell me which one is more interesting. Okay. So first sample is the speaker comes on the stage and he says that water is very essential for us. We can use water in bathing, cooking, and drinking also. So 2/3 of our earth's surface is covered with water. Water is very necessary. We need to save water. We should turn off the taps when it is not required. This is first sample. Got it? Second sample, speaker comes on the stage and he says that water, water everywhere, but not a single drop to drink. So how many of you save water? Please tell me. Okay. So, but honestly, we people are not saving water at all. Whenever we brush our teeth, we just keep the tap turned on. Okay. So we need to save water because it is our lifeline. Our earth is just based on this water only. So yes, please. How many of you think that first one is better than second? Why so? Why so? Yes. So second वाले में you people were more connected to me. मैं आपसे question पूछ रही थी and you people were raising hand. तो first वाली क्या थी? It was little bit boring. It was just like that कि मैं कथा कर रही थी. ठीक है? So actually, so speech should be very interactive. You need to give so many examples, so many questions you have to ask, and you have to use emotive language. Our earth is crying, ठीक है? Due to pollution. These type of language you need to write. So speech writing should be communicative. Communicative मतलब आपको बातें करनी है एक दूसरे से, ठीक है? So obviously we don't allow the audience to come on the stage and speak. हम ऐसे पूछते हैं, how many of you save water? If they say that yes, I save water, then you yourself say that okay, I will tell you the reality is we are not saving water. अपने आप ही आंसर दे देना उसको. Okay? Now please write down language specification. सेंटर बेटा. What type of language we'll use in speech writing? And please use these language points also. सिर्फ ये लिखने के लिए नहीं है, you have to follow them also. Speech interesting होनी चाहिए, ना कि just उसको paragraph नहीं लिखना. That is the difference between speech and paragraph. उसमें हम सिर्फ information देते हैं, इसमें हम communicate करते हैं. ठीक है? So first one please. First point is speech should be highly interactive. Interactive again, communicative. Speech should be highly interactive. Interactive, you need to talk to your audience. You have to connect them with you. उनको कनेक्शन फील हो, वो एंड में बात मान जाएं कि ये सही कह रहा है. वी हैव टू एक्ट नाउ. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट वन, सेकंड पॉइंट. हैव यू रिटन दिस? सेकंड पॉइंट. यस प्लीज. कौन? अगमजोत, व्हाट हैपेंड? Use direct language. Directly talk to your audience. Use direct language. I'm giving example here side by side. Use direct language. Wake up before it's too late. Directly उनको बोलो. Wake up before it's too late. What is the difference between this it's and another it's? Chahek, please tell us. बेटा इसमें और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? What is the difference between its and its? 1 minute. Yes. At least try. कोई बात नहीं, गलत हो जाएगा. Give me one answer. Give me example if you don't know the explanation. Example दे दो. First वाली its की example. Think about it. For example. Okay, second it's. Okay, तो हमने फर्स्ट इट्स भी यही बोला है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टैचू. एग्जाम्पल सेम बोली. यस दिवांग. Exactly. Sahibpreet, what happened? So this is used for possession. The dog hurt its tail. Dog is trying to catch its tail. किसी की कोई चीज होनी. ये वाला its. This is a short form of it is. है clear now? This its mean possession. Like I said, dog is catching its tail, trying to catch its tail. This is the short form of its. So here I have written which its. It is. So wake up before it is too late. Now next one. Next is very important point, ask questions. But it doesn't mean कि आप पूरी speech में question ही पूछे जाओगे. No. There should be 2 questions or maximum 3 questions. Ask questions. Like I asked, how many of you think that how many of you think that have you ever thought of it? These are the examples you can ask in your way. This is just example. Note down, please, then I'll move to next point. Next is use emotive language. Emotions. जितना इमोशनली कनेक्ट करोगे ऑडियंस को उतनी वो आपकी बात मानेंगे. Instead of simply saying stop polluting our air, you can write in another way. Please tell me. Please stop air pollution. इसको आप और कैसे कह सकते हो? Emotions use करके. I'm giving you 1 minute. Think about this slide. Directly ये कहना stop air pollution. Try to add some emotions. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Our earth is crying. We need to stop air pollution. Okay, others please. Okay, nice. Loud. एक बार दोबारा.
Air is getting polluted and is decreasing.
Emotions, beta, emotions. Online student also, tell me some emotions, beta. जल्दी सोचो, I'm waiting, please. Tell me the line which is having emotions. Same line को बनाओ. Quickly, please. Feelings लेके आओ इस line के अंदर. हाँ. Okay, this is logic. ठीक है. और I'm asking feelings. Earth is coming to end or Earth will end one day. We need to stop air pollution. This is logical reason. ये एक logic दे रहे हो आप. I'm asking emotions लाओ, feelings. Okay, fine. Correct. Yes. Earth is crying is okay. ठीक है. और इसके अलावा. Okay, please write down. So that our loved ones, means your family members, can breathe quality air. कभी भी आपको इमोशंस ऐड करने, ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विद फैमिलीज और रिलेटिव्स. वी नीड टू स्टॉप पोल्यूशन सो दैट. ओके, एग्जैक्टली, वेरी नाइस. यस बेटा. Yes, otherwise it will eat our loved ones or it will kill our loved ones. Very nice. Pollution is like monster. We need to stop it. Otherwise it will kill our loved ones one day. So whenever you have to write emotive language, try to add some family members or parents like this. You can connect to your audience. जब वो सोचेंगे कि सच्ची हमारे parents को ये हो जाएगा, they will definitely listen to you. So emotive language, try to connect with their families and loved ones. Okay, next one. Direct suggestion, you can give direct suggestion also. Yes, Vita. Yes, Savya.
Ma'am, I also want to speak.
Yes, Vita, speak please.
Why don't we save our Earth? Our Earth is crying and won't help from us.
Exactly. Why don't you stop pollution? Our earth is crying and it needs our help. ठीक है? और अर्थ के साथ एक मदर वर्ड यूज कर देना और इमोशंस हो जाएंगे. Why don't you stop pollution? Our mother earth is crying and it needs our help. ठीक है? Direct suggestion. Suggestion, you people know how to give suggestion. Any example?
Okay, ma'am.
We must act now. We must join our hands and try to stop this problem. So these are the suggestions. It's time, it's right time to act. Yes, Vita. Yes, exactly. So direct suggestion, must or should, you can use must or should and you can make any line. So only two, okay, three are left only. Sixth one is use models. थोड़े मॉडल्स भी यूज करो लाइक मस्ट. और कौन से होते मॉडल्स प्लीज? शुड, नीड टू, ought to. ought to याद है आप सबको? ought to is equal to should. बेटा ये सजेशंस वाले हैं मॉडल्स. must, should, need to, ought to हो सकता suggestion में, but I think these are the appropriate. Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Rule number 1 to 6. Okay, last one is give imaginary situation. ये एक ही देनी है, ज्यादा नहीं देनी. Only one. Give imaginary situation. बेटा 3 तो होने चाहिए मिनिमम. You can increase 1 or 2. Word limit 150 to 200 words. Better loudly. Speak again. What did he say? Water save करने की. Emotive language. You have made. Yes, please. Exactly. Yes. So give imaginary situation. So if I give you a situation that you need to work hard, you need to become one successful businessman or IPS officer, then think of a day when everyone would salute you. तो मैं आपको और ज्यादा encourage कर रही हूँ imaginary situation देके that work hard, become IPS officer, become IAS officer, then think of a day when everyone would salute you. ठीक है? तो आप जब सोचोगे कि मेरे को इतनी गाड़ियां मिलेंगी, मेरे आगे पीछे पुलिस की गाड़ियां होंगी, then you will be more I think encouraged and motivated. तो आपको लगेगा कि imaginary future की situation सोच के
Can your voice is cracking?
Yes. Okay, I'll check it better. Give me 1 minute. So एक imaginary situation सोचो please. सेव वाटर पे कर लेते हैं. It can be positive and it can be negative, depends on the topic. If topic is conservation of water, then obviously it can be negative. अब थोड़ा सा डराओगे ऑडियंस को तभी वो समझेंगे. If it is hard work is a key to success, then it can be positive also. That will come in example part with us.